quick workshop tour. That's my Dore Westbury Mark 1 mill. That's the current loco I'm working on, powered by a Mason LC Mason 4-cylinder flat 4 petrol engine, which I'm doing a little bit of work on. The Essential Mugger Tea, the Tri-Lever ML7, set up for small production runs, the loco body standing on end, running out of room in the workshop, cut-off saw. The box is my next project. There's my Warco round column mill. If you can afford to, buy not a round column anyway. Clamping, measuring, equipment, mills, and coming back round the other side is my Super 7 with power crossfeed and tooling drawers. And that's where it all happens.